Hi and welcome to the short video tutorial series on Wisenet WAVE. I'm your guide Gordon of Hanwha Vision, and in this video I'll introduce you to the Wisenet WAVE client interface. Other videos in this series will show layouts, timeline playback, thumbnail search, motion detection and AI search, synchronous search and bookmarks, and finally exporting from WAVE. Jump to the video that you need or watch them in sequence. Let's begin. Wisenet WAVE is a recording server, but in order to operate the recording server or the VMS platform, we use the client software, which in this case is called Wisenet WAVE as well. I have the icon in the desktop. You only need double click on that one, or you can go to Start and type in Wave and choose the Wisenet WAVE application, which will then open up the application on your desktop. It will communicate with the server and allow you to manage the video system. Wisenet WAVE operates with Wave Sync, which is in the top right-hand corner over here, which is an online account that allows you to connect to systems across the internet. I'm going to choose this particular system. If you only have the one system, then you only need to choose that one system. When you get into the Wisenet WAVE interface, you're going to see on the left-hand side your camera tree. All of the cameras as part of the system will be listed here. We have chosen to arrange our cameras by model number, but they can be arranged by building, room, etc. On the right-hand side, we have our various filters for video traffic, notifications, motion detection, bookmarks, notifications, and object detections. Let's bring in a camera. All you need to do is drag the camera in, or you can double click on the camera and it'll bring it in as well. The desktop is super intuitive. You have your cameras on the left listed. You have your video control panel in the center. You have your notifications and filters on the right hand side, but we can close any of these items at any time. And we have our timeline on the bottom where we can search our video. Another thing we can do is we can arrange our video however we please. And we have a very intuitive interface. We can make that big, we can make it angled, or whatever we want to do with it. I hope that you found this video useful. Please find other chapters in this series that you will find equally useful, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.